Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we're gonna be opening Basto. Today we're gonna be opening myToyS Shopkins toys. You see Moose. Like season 4. 2 pieces. And done. Let's open it. This class needs to be very good. Let's try. Okay, I already opened this part. Let's open this. Do that. And then also do that. And then also do this, do that. Okay. Oh, oops! Yeah, I accidentally ripped the cardboard. Like it's supposed to be like this. But for a baby diaper, you just put this on the butt and then wrap this and wrap that, right? It looks like a Shopkins baby diaper, doesn't it, Mr. Camera Dad? Why are you not talking? Can you not concentrate?
Yeah, I need to concentrate and make sure all the equipments work.
What is? It's a comfy sofa. I can put my finger up there. Look at the comfy sofa. I want to put my head on it. Get out. That's not comfy. That's not even comfy, man. I need to get some air out of this package. Ooh, a jar. What's that? I don't understand what this is. Well, just look at it. Just look at it. Look at that, Shopkins.
You still have a lot of toys that you're regular, right? I said you have a lot of toys in your regular.
I have Choosy, Cars, Star Wars. I don't know who this is. Like this is Trolls. This the Death Trooper. I don't know. And baby toys. And now let's bye guys. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like it on Facebook and follow